Hi again. Today I want to share with you a really simple way for you to review your progress. Because just like an athlete aspiring to win a gold medal at the Olympics, we all need to look back sometimes to review our progress and make sure we're on track for reaching our goals and aspirations, whilst at the same time becoming a Time Lord. All too often it's easy for us to only recognise things that haven't gone so well. And the reptilian part of our brain is unfortunately brilliant at showing us this. It's a bit like Velcro for the negative and Teflon for the positive. And when we're focused on the negative, we can get the feeling that nothing's changed. And as a result, we set our filters to look for sameness because it's really easy to spot. And that gives us the false perspective that we're not moving forward. A better way of going about things is to look for points of difference. And that's why reviewing is so important. Because it confronts you with the honest truth. And more importantly, the facts about what's really happening. Now there's many ways of doing reviews, but what I want to share with you is a way that's really easy to do and will only take a few minutes. Yet the returns can be huge. And all you have to do is answer 4 questions. Question 1, what was your biggest highlight of the day or week? Now I would suggest for best results you do this daily. So what was the biggest highlight of your day? What was your biggest win? What was your biggest achievement? And you start with this question because it's one we rarely ask ourselves. What did I do well? And what this does, it sends your brain on, wait for it, big word coming up, so get your teeth in, Kev. It sends your brain on a transderivational search. And that results in you actively recalling the things that actually went right for you. Acknowledge your wins, count your victories, and you will have some, even on what you might consider to be the crappiest of days. Question 2. What was your biggest challenge today or during the week? Think of things that didn't go the way you expected as challenges and obstacles for you to overcome. Things you can learn from and areas for personal growth so you can get to the next level. And by identifying your biggest challenge, you get the opportunity to address it and leave it in the past. Now there's an idea out there that life should be easy. That's just nonsense. Life is our gymnasium. Now imagine getting yourself a personal trainer. On your first session in the gym, they asked you to lift some weights. But when you lift them, you find them really easy. And then you realise they're actually made of styrofoam. How long would you keep that personal trainer? Not long. Why? Because they're not challenging you. And your aim is to get better, fit and stronger. And the only way to do that is to put your muscles under stress. And it's the same for life. If you want to have a better life, you need challenges. You need to step outside your comfort zone every day. You need to get comfortable with feeling uncomfortable. And you're better off coming at this from a mindset of obstacles make me stronger. Bring it on. Question 3. What have you learnt during the week or today? We might be creatures of habit, yet we have it within us to learn from the negative and positive circumstances that are presented to us each and every minute of our lives. In life, you either win or you learn. Either way is better. When it's something that changes your life entirely, or whether it's just something you think is a trivial tip. Learning increases your capacity to do things smarter and faster. So always take the opportunity to acknowledge your personal growth and improve your prospects for the future. Question 4. What will be your number 1 focus for the coming day or week? Consider your number 1 goal, the number 1 outcome you desire. What single activity or step can you take that will empower you to achieve it tomorrow or in the coming week? So just to recap, do this, preferably daily, at least weekly. Answer each of these 4 questions. What was your highlight of your week or your day? What was your biggest challenge? What have you learnt? And what will be your number 1 focus tomorrow or for the coming week? Do this consistently. Make it a new empowering habit. Start to look for difference instead of sameness. And then watch what happens and how much closer you are to becoming a Time Lord. It only works, so give it a go. You'll thank me later.